Come back. Today there isn't quite a lot happening really because we kind of taking it a bit slow, but we've already done quite a lot of work. And among what we did is, you can see we just we pile up this we have the trash around here. All right, and the other thing that we did so far is the floor. We removed the flooring, we removed the old tiles, and we are going to do LVP. If you remember yesterday, I mentioned about the mold that you saw, so we're taking care of that. That water leak there, so that leak probably it's coming somewhere in this joint. Yeah, it's most likely coming from this joint over here, so it's probably somewhere at the top, here. Maybe that is where it's coming from. So we are figuring out and see why we have that kind of leak over there. Yeah, folks, I gotta do it. I had to do it. All right, so let's recap and figure out what led us here. So I kind of skipped a lot of episodes as well. So this one is kind of like something I want to release now than later, so I can archive whatever is happening. Okay, so where we at right now is that I had to rip up all the walls. You saw my previous video, I mentioned the plans and everything. Actually, the problem is not even the plan. The problem is that where was I? I was doing something, and I called someone, came over, we look at it, and we found out the walls were wrongly done. Like the frame were wrongly done. We thought maybe it was just one part, and as we kept on going behind the walls, we found out the entire section they didn't do it properly. This is the basement. When you're building a basement, not just building a basement, when you're building a house, you have to know the codes. One, the electrical code, the current electrical code were wrong. The way they did the wiring of the electric is completely wrong. And because I want to get a meter, and to get a meter we need city impact inspection, and to get city inspection they might find out about the basement, and if I find the basement, they do inspection in the basement, things might go wrong, and we already saw things were just out of code. The framing were wrong. I don't even know where to talk and how to explain to you. I'm not a construction person, but everything was just wrong. So I decided to break down the walls. And as we were going through breaking the walls, I also found a lot of mold on the sheetrock. The sheetrock they used in the basement were also the wrong sheetrock, not the correct sheetrock. Supposed to use the green sheetrock. Whoever built it, they used the normal one that you use upstairs and stuff like that. And that's what led me to redo the entire thing. It costs money, but I don't have a choice. So the plan right now is you saw we broke everything down. We took everything down. We probably I'm going to change the layout as well. I might change the layout. I might change the layout or maybe keep it. But the framing is wrong. And if you look at the wood, the plywood that they use on the walls, they use probably half by 2 or 1 by 2. I think they used 1 by 2 instead of 2 by 4. And also the way they placed it, they have to place, instead of placing it vertically, they place it horizontally against the walls. Things just wrong, and the way they put it against the walls, the concrete, they didn't do it properly. They do it wrongly also. So that's also something that led me to go ahead and break everything down and start from scratch. So thanks guys for watching. Catch you on next one.